interpreting the technical specifications for the Beckhoff EL2622 EtherCAT terminal. The EL2622 utilizes relay output connection technology. It features two outputs. The EL2622 has a nominal voltage of 230 volt AC/30 volt DC. The EL2622 supports three load types: ohmic, inductive, and lamp load. It has a minimum permitted load of 10 mA at 5 V DC. The ohmic switching current is 5 amps AC DC per channel. The inductive switching current is 2 amps AC DC per channel. The operating temperature is between -25 and 55 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 95% with no condensation. The EL2622 dimensions are 12 mm by 100 mm by 68 mm. It weighs approximately 50 grams. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all Beckhoff EtherCAT terminal sales and replacements.